today's lesson, we're going to be learning 4 single vowel sounds. They're very short and very easy to produce. Okay? Now, those 4 sounds are these. Ready? E, I, oo. Okay, one more time. E, I, oo. Alright? Now let's break each sound down and learn how to pronounce it. Okay, now the first sound is E. Now to make this sound, notice my mouth. E. Okay? The lips stretch back, almost like a smile. E. Now the tongue is down behind my bottom teeth. E. Okay? So let's practice saying it a few times. Ready? E. 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 Okay, good. Now let's try the next sound. Okay. Now the next sound is I. Alright? Now pay attention to my mouth. Here we go. I. Okay? The lips raise just a bit. Okay? Now watch the tongue. I. The tongue is at the edge of my bottom teeth. I. Okay? Now let's practice saying it together. Here we go. I. 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 Alright, very good. Let's work on the next sound. Alright, time for the third sound. Here we go. The third sound is Okay? Now watch my mouth. The mouth just hangs open a little bit. Watch. Okay? The lips are loose, not tight like E, just loose. Okay? The tongue is down at the bottom part of the mouth. Okay? Resting all the way at the bottom, but very loose. Okay? Don't tighten your tongue. Don't make it stiff. Okay? And you just release a little air through the throat, almost like a grunt. Alright, now let's practice it. Alright, very good. Let's get to the next one. Okay, now this next sound is ooh. Okay? Here, pay attention to the lips. The lips come out and form a circle. Okay? Ooh. Okay? One more time. Ooh. Now the tongue in this sound is not placed against the teeth. The tongue, okay, sits almost like this, okay? Not pressing against anything. Ooh. Okay? So let's practice. Ooh. 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 Okay, now that we can make the sounds, let's put them into words and see if we can pronounce the words very clearly. Alright, so now I'm going to give you each sound and a word you can find it in. So, the E sound can be found in words such as see. Okay? So, E, see. The I sound can be found in words such as sit. Alright, so I, sit. The sound, okay, can be found in words such as book. Okay, book. And the oo sound can be found in such words as two. Okay, so oo, two. Okay. Now, I'm going to say each word slowly. I want you to say it with me. Practice saying it clearly. Make sure you're forming your mouth exactly as I am. Here we go. See, sit, book, two. See, sit, book, two. One more time. See, sit, book, two. Okay? Now I want you to practice that a few times. Say it with me. Okay? Listen, and then say it on your own. I want you to feel comfortable with the word and be able to say it clearly. That's our goal. Okay? And then the next part, we'll work on putting them into a sentence and learning how to connect the words. Okay, so now we can make the sounds, we can use them in words. It's time to form them in a sentence. Alright, I'm going to give you a sentence. I'm going to say it slow. I want you to say it with me. Make sure you're forming your mouth just as I am. Say it clearly. And then after a few times, I'll repeat it again, but a little faster. And eventually, we'll get to a natural speed that a native English speaker would say it in. So here we go. I sit by the sea with a book too. I sit by the sea with a book too. Alright, now we're going to try it a little faster. I sit by the sea with a book too. I sit by the sea with a book too. Alright, now let's do a little faster. I sit by the sea with a book too. I sit by the sea with a book too. I sit by the sea with a book too. Alright, very good. Now keep practicing this until you can say it clearly and fluently. See you on the next lesson.